The anticipated Galaxy S24 Ultra is poised to redefine smartphones in 2024, offering more than just a routine upgrade. Samsung aims to revolutionize our perception of phones with glimpses of exciting AI features. Leaks suggest titanium edges for durability and a lighter build at 8.21 ounces. Rumored colors include black, titanium gray, violet, and yellow, with possible exclusive online colors like orange, light blue, and light green. Generative AI is expected to be a highlight, introducing features like AI Translate Call for real-time translations and Samsung Ghost to enhance emails, documents, and images. There are speculations about AI features requiring payment, but this seems unlikely. A 6.8-inch OLED screen may remain, but significant improvements are rumored, including a peak brightness of 2,500 nits and a refresh rate increase to 144 Hz, enhancing the gaming experience. Exciting camera upgrades include a main 200MP camera with improved sensor and adjusted zoom lenses, 10MP 3x zoom, and 50MP 5x zoom. There's speculation about a new camera technology called Zoom Anyplace, using a 200MP sensor and AI for better zoom functionality. Powering the S24 Ultra could be the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, boasting a dedicated AI engine, night mode for video, and substantial performance improvements, 30% more speed, 25% graphics boost, and 40% improved realistic lighting for games. RAM might see a significant upgrade to 16 GB. Rumors also suggest new stacked battery tech and improved cooling for more power in the same space. Charging speed may jump from 45 W to 65 W, outpacing competitors like the iPhone 15 Pro. With potential game-changing features, the Galaxy S24 Ultra could challenge the iPhone's dominance. A faster screen, enhanced zoom camera, and quicker charging may position it as a top choice, though concerns about pricing already at $1,200 linger.